Well, I never thought I'd have one of these. So, my package finally came after a week. It had not shipped out until the 15th. Now it's here. Now this machine came from San Francisco, California. So I live in Washington. So it's no surprise it came very fast. So, do we have an idea of what's to come? Let me just get the slate out of there. Alright. It's in my dress, so I gotta cut that out. Do you recognize this handle? How about that color? I have packaging for my other vacuums. Christmas time? Yeah, this is interesting stuff. Oh, would you... What's a turbo brush? This is a haphazardly put in here, I must say. Oh, you can see yourself in the reflection. Now, I have a blue Hoover Elite Rewind. So, let's check this thing out. She's a little bit beat up. That's okay. What's the sticker say? 2008. So this obviously has the LG motor in it. This thing is in the greatest shape. But for the price to pay. Okay, so this is a blue or gray brush roll. Belt needs to be replaced. Okay. Not the worst in the world. So this is the last one I needed. And I finally have it. It's not bad. Pop this open. You see that? That's not good. Oh, this stinks. So this will be the last one I buy. I am buying another one from Vax, or getting an, but that's just because that one has a different sounding motor. So let's get this all cleaned up and I'll be right back. Well, usually I clean up some mess. I don't do the greatest built shot, but here's it running. Definitely one of the best motors I've had one of these, but this is not in the greatest shape. I would find another one and buy it if I could. But I'm cool with this, and this will be the last one I buy. Besides the one from Bray, because I'm trading that. That one has the different sounding motor. So yeah. Brush came with all the attachments. Okay, so we are working on this. I am using the compound. Bin looks better, and as we speak, I'm putting on a new belt because this belt is shot. I believe this is the original Hoover belt. We shall find out here in just a second if I can get it off the shaft. There it goes. Yeah, this is the original belt. So this is not in good shape, so let's go on this one. So, and then I'll be polishing up this window, putting it back together, cleaning it up some more, and then we'll be back. And we are back. So, I gotta clean this thing up, fix the filter. It was completely clogged. I'll put a photo right there. So, anyway, so there's your wide path cleaning. You know, been trying to do this. It's not in the greatest shape, honestly, but, you know, I'm glad I finally have this. So, came with all the attachments. I used to clean a sink lamp with compound. And don't use WD-40 on your vacuums. It'll ruin the paint after so long. So just don't. It's also not good for plastic. So I fixed the brush. The brush was fine. I just put some WD-40 in it. I know it's not, brush oil sounds fine. It's just to make sure this thing stays alive for a little bit longer. But I don't plan on using this thing, honestly. Only way I get rid of this thing is if I got a 10 amp Phantom Fury or another pet back. And they would still be pushing it, but some may argue I have way too many Elite Rewinds. And I agree. That's why I'm selling around 3. So I'm only keeping the ones over there and this one. So, and that includes Chance's Elite Rewind that I'm getting rid of. So, until Duck Studios, and then a regular Elite Rewind that's downstairs. So, in total, I paid $65 for this. This was an auction on eBay. And I put in my highest bid at $70. No one outbid me, so I won it for $30. So, yeah. I still gotta remove that from the video, the address. But anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So another Elite Rewind to the collection. So I did put a new belt on it and stuff, and the filter was clogged. I'll show you that at the end of the video. So it does run. It runs really well, and I'll put it in between parts. I don't know which part yet, but you'll see it. But I'm not gonna run it because I still gotta fix it up. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.